Good morning, everyone. This is Mr. Donahue. I'm going to go over some instructions for the next project we're doing. It's a bit of an extended project, just around the end of the quarter, just like the last two quarters. We would have been doing a slideshow presentation, and that hasn't changed. The only thing that's changed is now I'll be looking at your presentations rather than looking at you presenting them. Not really a big deal. So there are a couple of different things, a couple of things that have changed, but you're still working in groups. I've chosen the groups. I will show you here. I'm in your class. In your formal graded writing, I'm just going to randomly choose one. There's my cursor. Bear with me. One of the groups. And if I go to edit the assignment, you'll see there are two, count them, two different documents. One is a document that has all of the instructions, right? I'll read these. This is a group assignment. The directions are in the document along with the names of the members of your group. So when you open this up, you'll see who else is in your group. All you have to do in the document is your piece of the work. All you have to do in this slideshow is your piece of the work. Please use your email or comment feature in the doc or chat functions in the doc or the slideshow to talk with your group members about how to create your work. This is the last grade for the quarter. In the document, there are two things called benchmarks. This is work that you have to have done. These are going to be considered two homework grades, 10-point homework grades when you finish this. The project is basically analyze a poem. You're going to analyze a poem together. You're going to, just like you would if you were sitting in class, moving your desks around, but you're moving your virtual desks around when you're opening up the slideshow. I'm not going to show you with the right. So here, one group has War Against the Trees. You would add slides. Each member of the group would add a slide for whatever it is you've chosen to focus on. One of you is going to focus on sound devices. One of you is going to focus on figurative language. One of you will focus on rhyme scheme. One of you will focus on concrete images. All of the things that we've done in class. You can use your textbook to look up any of the definitions that you need to in order to complete this. It is due Wednesday. I am grading it Thursday. I'm going to repeat that. The due date for this, you should be finishing up with your group Wednesday. So you have 3 days. This is an extended work with two homeworks. These are, as you can see here, it says students can edit file. That means you are all working on the same document. You are all working on the same slideshow. So be polite and try not to accidentally erase anybody's work. If that happens, then I will have to go through the document history and see what's going on. And at this point, things are hard enough for all of us. I know we'd all much rather be in school, hanging out and teaching and learning and having fun like that. Otherwise, it's a pretty straightforward project. You don't have to worry about recording audio or anything along that line. I'm going to on Thursday morning. I'm going to go through the projects and give you a project grade just like I did with your other two quarters. This is the last grade of the quarter. So be sure to get all of this work done and get it in on time. If you have any questions about this or any of the work from last week that you think you've missed, email me questions. Email me questions. Hopefully that's it. I'm going to end this recording. Hopefully God watches over you and your families and you're all safe and not too bored.